How to upload your music to Spotify. So the very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open any of the web browser. In the search bar, search for artist.spotify.com/home. Well, it will land you on this interface. Tap on this three horizontal line at the top right corner, and then simply tap on Get Started. It will redirect you to this page. Scroll down and over here you'll find the option of Upload Your Music. Click on it. Well, the first thing you should know that you need to install the Spotify for Artists, or you can simply join the label team. Once you have claimed the artist profile on Spotify, you will be able to upload your songs. Well, in order to upload, the first thing you want to do is to export the highest quality lossless files of your music and then follow your chosen distributor's guidelines for uploading. After that, you need to provide your metadata, for example album title, credits, release date, and so on. After that, you can upload the cover art for your release and you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this was a tutorial video on how to upload music on Spotify. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.